I've been adding chia seeds to my water to suppress my appetite to aid in weight loss. I have seen you add them to smoothies, but am I just adding calories to water without benefits? What are the benefits to chia seeds?
Chia seeds are a great food. I actually included them way back in 2012 in my top fitness foods. So we'll link up that video below. It gives you into more detail on what chia seeds and the power of chia seeds are.
The benefit.
They're high in healthy fats, so it's the plant-based healthy fats. It's not the fats from fish oil. I still prefer omega-3s from fish oil than from plant-based, but it's a great source of omega-3s from a plant, as well as it's good in fiber. There's some protein in there as well.
What's the calorie count? Is it like 60 per tablespoon?
Yeah, I think so, and it's definitely, so don't think of it as an empty calories. It's not.
Right,
it's packed full of nutrients, and it will keep you full as well. So it's not like you're just putting calories in and not getting any benefits. I take them every day in my power smoothie that I have.
Yeah, and if you guys don't know what she's talking about, like adding them in water, they actually gel up. So that's why it helps keep you full longer, because they really expand when they're soaked in water.
Yeah.
So by drinking that, it's like drinking a sort of a gel that does make your stomach feel full, like more full than it would without that, with just regular water. So it is a good little hack to like feel full on less calories. So I'd say keep doing it.
And chia seed pudding, I have a recipe for that on Live Lean TV. So we'll link that. We'll link that up below. It's a very easy way to make a healthy snack.
Treat. Yeah, it can be used as a snack or a dessert.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.